Hello student, now let us see the very small problem, that is problem number 26 of the coordination compound. What the problem is saying, what is meant by the chelete effect? Okay, chelete effect. Give an example. Okay, dear student, I already told you that is bidentate ligand or the polydentate ligand. They have the more than two binding center. Okay, so if they are having two or more than two binding center, so they form the cyclic compound, and when they form the cyclic compound, that is what is known as chelect effect. Okay, in another term, that is the stabilization of coordination compound due to the chelation is known as chelect effect. Chelation means what, student? What is meaning of chelation? I am writing chelation means formation of cyclic compound, formation of cyclic compound, formation of cyclic compound. Okay, formation of cyclic compound. This is meaning of the chelation. Formation of cyclic compound is the meaning of chelation. So what the term is saying, that is what is meant by the chelect effect. The chelect effect is the stabilization of coordination compound due to the chelation. Okay, the stabilization of coordination compound due to chelation. That is, chelation means formation of cyclic compound is known as chelate effect. Okay, now student, you have to understand here. I already drawn the structure. Here is, suppose monodentate ligand is there. L for, that is what is, student? L for monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand. So if the monodentate ligand are there, student, monodentate ligand, so what will happen, student? If the monodentate ligand are there, so they cannot form only the monodentate ligand, they form only one bond, okay, with the ligand and central metal atom. Okay, so they are forming single bond, so that is not a stable, less stable. Why? Because student, if the single bond is there, it can be easily break. Okay, breaking is easily. Okay, breaking of bond. Okay, breaking of bond. A bond is easy. Breaking of bond is what, student? This is easy. Now let us see the another complex I have taken. Platinum I have taken, student. Little platinum, that is I have taken platinum complex I have taken, and that is with the bidentate ligand is there. Bidentate ligand means ethylene diamine is there. Okay, ethylene diamine means En is there. So what is there is cycle 1. It is forming, that is cyclic compound. Cycle 1. This is forming what is cycle 2, and this is forming, that is, student, that is cycle 3. So 3 cycle this is forming. This compound is forming 3 cycle. So what is meant by the chelect effect, student? This is the, because of the formation of cyclic compound, this complex will be more stable. And this ligand, what is the ligand, student? Here is NH2, CH2, here is CH2, and then again NH2. So it is having what is, student? You can see here is 2 binding sites are there, 2 nitrogen atoms are there. So it is what it is, student? Bidentate ligand. This is bidentate ligand. And bidentate ligand, what they can do, they can connect with this one and here. So this NH2 of the one atom and this NH2 of another of the same ligand is together joining with the central metal, and it is forming what, it is forming cyclic compound. So if it is forming the cyclic compound, this will be stable. Reason, that is, it is required to break 2 bond together. Okay, if you want to unstabilize, you need to break the bond. So it required more energy to break the bond. Okay, cyclic compound required more energy to break the bond. That is why this compound is more stable compared to non-chelating compound. So what is the chelate effect? The stabilization of coordination compound due to chelation is known as chelate effect. Chelation means formation of cyclic compound by bidentate ligand or polydentate ligand. Thank you so much for watching, friends.